Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see how an electric vehicle works and what are the components which is needed and what companies are manufacturing these equipments. So friends, now you are seeing in screen which is like a how an electric car works. So friends, electric cars doesn't work internal combustion engines which are presently using engines which works on petrol and diesel, because an electric motor is replaced it fully. That means the electric combustion engine will be replaced totally by electric motor. So uh, electric engineers will know about this electric motor, but who didn't know this knowledge, I am giving you a brief view on electric motor. So friends, an electric motor which works with an EMF principle, and which having like stator and rotor. So with EMF induction produced in the uh, copper wires, like copper wire will be winded throughout the sessions. So it, with that torque will be generated, so the shaft will rotate with the developments of EMF. So in that way, the shaft which is here, if you see here, this is motor. So with this motor, you are observing here like one of the shaft, right? So with this shaft, the motor will run. So with this shaft, the wheels will rotate. So this is how an electric motor will work, and which we need is a main thing is electric motor which is made up of copper. So that's why I specifically giving right away Hind copper as one of the pick to play with these type of things. And if you observe one thing here is major parts: electric motor, controllers, and charger. Like this is the charger and this is the battery. So next thing is like if you observe here like DC controllers and DC motor, battery, and we are going to see AC motor, controller, charger, battery, and this is like charging points. So next thing which you are going to see is like which manufactures these things. So we need like a electric traction motor. This is the main component in the whole process. And the next one is like a, traction battery pack. This is another major component. So these two are the major things, and remaining all will work with IT solutions. So I already mentioned like Tata Excel. So regarding this KPIT Tata Excel, we have a dedicated video in my playlist, like future stocks. You will get there and you will see in detail. But as of now, we are going to see the motors, this part, electric traction motor. So this is also called electric conversion hub also. So one thing which I am looking is this is, friends, this is electric hub. So this, with this motor, the equipment or the rotation will come to the shaft, but where we connect our vehicle wheel means this is the hub. This is called hub. So with this we can connect the vehicle. So vehicle will rotate from this hub. This is called hub. So friends, next thing which I am going to show you is like Sona Comstar. This is the company where we are looking perfect match with IT and components and this electric alternators. If you see here, they are specifically manufacturing alternators which are used in these electric vehicles, and hub wheels for motor. If you see here, hub, I clearly mentioned right previously slide, this is the hub motor. And next one is like a drive motor. If you observe here, drive motors, and these are the main components which I am looking. And BSG, this is the main thing which we need. And next one is like controller. I just shown you like one of the thing like controller, right? So that is the another which we need, friends. So see here like here if you observe here, this is controller. This is also one of the main component we required in this electric vehicles. So, friends, we didn't only four wheelers, same concept will be applicable for two wheelers also. There also they need motor, hub and battery pack and controller, everything is needed, and charging. So Sona Comstar having controllers also. And if you see, starter motor, so for every motor we need a starter, that's compulsory. And so this is how the products from Sona Comstar, and going to be driveline technology, the company's technology products and everything we are going to see now. And shareholding pattern of June, which is a very very important for us who invested in Sona Comstar after its IPO launch. And if you observe here, precious forged gears, so one of the main components, and forged couplings, and see here, differential assembly and e-drives. We already know, right? I clearly mentioned this is the body, outer body. Inside copper windings all will be placed. So this is where the company investing. And next one is innovations, like what company is planning for future innovations. So if you see here, leading R&D innovations with technical collaborations. So this they are planning for high power. See here, high power density EV systems handling high torque requirements with an lightweight design. While this is how people will have. So one thing which I am going to show you, friends, see here, light weighted our differential assembly and EV traction motors, BLDC and PMSMs and motor control unit through our R&D efforts. So these are the main components for an electric two wheelers and three wheelers. So that's why friends, I personally hope this company will give a good revenue in coming days. If you see here, motor development, friends, so we clearly having this company as a future future, and it is mainly backed by Blackstone, which is US one of the leading firm. And my view also, friends, the public investors are very very low in this. Maybe people are still not aware of this company or may not. But friends, my view is, whoever holding this Sona Comstar, hold your portions for a while. If next quarter result will be negative also, or add more. Why? Because going forward, they announced yesterday itself their quarterly results will be coming next month first week. And this is why I am telling, last we already know, right? Last March means lockdowns and everything happened, and electrical components also little affected with last week. So maybe we see little quarterly results, maybe, or may not be also. So still it's having a widespread of plants and widespread of technology, manufacturing and everything. So it's not a small company, and which this company raised nearly 3000 to 4000 crores of money, I think so, through listing. And the next one is, friends, if you observe Sona Comstar shareholding pattern, so many big players. This is June quarter. If you observe here, June quarter 2021, and if you observe here the shareholding pattern, mutual funds, Aditya Birla Sun Life holding 1.46%, SBI Large and Mid Cap Fund holding 3.45%, which is a very very huge quantity holding by the company, nearly 2 crore of shares. And Axis Mutual Fund holding 2.83 or 1.6 crore shares. And Merai Asset Large Cap Fund. This is large cap fund, but this holding positions in small caps, small or medium cap. Medium cap, I think so. It is like 24,000 crores. So okay, it's above medium cap. And if you see here, like they are holding like 1.76, nearly 1 crore shares. And if you see foreign investors, government of Singapore holding 3.31%, and qualified buyers also holding 2.53. And this is how we can see, friends, big players are holding this Sona Comstar shares. So friends, I given my detailed view on this company. And friends, it's up to you and up to your decision to take a call of buying and holding or not. But friends, who bought the shares will hold for a while, friends. You cannot create wealth by profit bookings in short terms. So friends, this is my view. And please do a research little bit, and you will take your own decisions. So friends, it's my view, and I am sharing my view for my friends. And thank you very much, friends. And if you like our video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel.